If you want to create a task list, you can do so from the side panel, available in the majority of Google's applications. If you click on the blue pencil icon, that will open up your Tasks menu. Your tasks can be arranged into different lists that you can access in the top left-hand corner. You can create new tasks by clicking on the Add a Task. Type your task in. And if you click on the pencil icon next to it, you can add further details to this task and also add a date and time. Anytime you choose a date and time in association with your task, it'll actually populate that task onto your calendar. You can also take messages from your inbox and drag them into your task list to create tasks based on specific messages. If you add a time and date to your tasks, you may also want to make sure that your calendar has the tasks section displayed.